Hello there, informed beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we are going to talk all about coffee scrubs. Now, we have talked about sugar scrubs and salt scrubs and the benefits of those for your skin. And so I want to go ahead and I want to talk about coffee scrub because I have been trying out or playing around or using the Shea Moisture raw shea butter ground coffee scrub, and I have fell in love with it. It is one of my favorite go-to, and I just like grabbing for it in the shower. So I wanted to talk about that and how it can benefit your skin. If you guys are wondering what my skincare regimen is like, what I'm currently using, I will have everything listed down below, as well as my like skincare playlist. So I talk about a lot of other things of like essential oils that are good for the skin, oils that are good for the skin, how to have a good anti-aging regimen, 30 plus. I have so many great videos for you on there that you can take from and learn a lot more about skin and how to also implement exfoliating into your skincare regimen. So also too, I have a Shea Moisture playlist. So if you're ever wondering about me and my other experiences with Shea Moisture, I have a whole playlist for that as well. So let's go ahead and let's jump into the coffee scrub and all the benefits of it. Now, I really want to I really want to just pretty much talk about like using it in a scrub form, but this can also too like double up as a drinking it, because I love my coffee in the morning. I am a coffee girl, and also it has a lot of great benefits for internally drinking it or internally ingesting it as well. So this can go either way. Okay, so let's start off with coffee scrubs are not only great for removing dead skin, but there are also other amazing benefits of coffee skin when it comes to the skin. Let's talk about benefit number one. Okay, so benefit number one is reduces inflammation. Now, coffee has an anti-inflammatory properties in it. Coffee has a chlorogenic acid, which is a CGA, and it is an antioxidant that protects skin against damage. Now, we all know that antioxidants are really great for the skin. They do help to keep the skin and the cells from being damaged by free radicals and all of that. So antioxidants are very important for the skin. CGA, which is the chlorogenic acid, also has a high concentration of fatty acids and vitamin E. Now, we all know fatty acids are great for the skin. It's great for that moisture, that elasticity, and also vitamin E is a great healer for skin. I don't know if you guys ever took vitamin E oil and placed it on a pimple and you see how fast it heals. Vitamin E is amazing at healing the skin. Okay, benefit number two, it has anti-aging benefits, also linking back to the antioxidants that are in the coffee. Okay, so coffee decreases the appearance of sunspots and fine lines. So whether you are scrubbing it on your face, on your body, you know, in any of that way, it does that, as well as ingesting it. It is an antioxidant, so it is great as helping the body internally to keep it looking nice and young. All right, benefit number three is that it reduces the appearance of cellulite. Now, this is one thing that I've heard a lot. Please excuse the ice cream truck outside. Every time I film, it wants to make an appearance. But this is one of the main things that I heard about coffee, is that it is great at reducing cellulite and the appearance of cellulite. So the caffeine in coffee dilates the blood vessels and reduces the appearance of cellulite, which can make the skin look a lot smoother. This tightens and stimulates blood flow in the skin. All right, so coffee is a great stimulant. Don't we already know that? You drink it and you get all jittery. So coffee is great in that aspect when it comes to cellulite. Benefit number four is that coffee has vitamin B3, which is niacin, and B3 is helpful in preventing skin cancers. All right, now we all know skin cancer is not a good thing. You want to make sure you're using a sunscreen and protecting yourself from the sun. But coffee is another great antioxidant. Once again, we're going back to the antioxidants. All right, it is great at preventing skin cancer with that vitamin B3. All right. And benefit number five, which is our last benefit, is that it treats acne. So if you are somebody like me and you are acne prone, because of that chlorogenic acid in coffee, it has a lot of anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that fight acne. what is acne? Acne is usually bacteria on the skin or some type of bacteria in the skin. So it also helps to keep the skin clear and keep the anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties to keep the skin nice and clear and keep acne away. Now, there are so many more benefits of coffee. This is just the only tip of it, okay? You can definitely Google and do more research on coffee because there are way more benefits, but I just kind of wanted to like zone in on the ones that really stood out to me and really spoke to me, especially when it comes to the skincare world and things that we are using in order to, you know, make our skin a little bit better. So let's jump into talking about the Shea Moisture's raw shea butter and coffee ground scrub. Is restoring. Now, I received this back like a couple of months ago. And you guys remember I was a Shea ambassador for Shea Moisture, and I had this sitting in my cabinet. I'm like, okay, let me go ahead, let me give it a try, let me, you know, see what this is all about. You guys, if you have never tried Shea Moisture's coffee scrub, try it. Note it, your bathroom will smell like coffee. You will smell like you're brewing coffee, okay? Your tub will get a little messy. It definitely will get a little messy, and it does take a little bit of cleaning up, but all in all, this stuff right here leaves your skin feeling smooth. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I will have a full video of me actually using this. I'm not going to do it here, but I will have a full video of me showing how I use this because this stuff is amazing. Smells like coffee. It has like a smell of coffee with a hint of if you guys have ever smelled the raw shea butter line by Shea Moisture, coffee mixed with that scent, like that frankincense and that mirror, it smells delicious. And it looks like this. Try not to spill it. It's just like ground coffee. It's just like ground coffee, like just like ground coffee. It's just that, okay? So yeah, I will definitely leave this linked down below so you guys can go and also to check it out. If you guys ever want to get your hands on this, I will do a full review on this. So this will be up. A full review on this product will be up like next week or so. So stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below so that I can make sure I answer that in the demo when it comes to this. But that is pretty much coffee scrubs. Coffee scrubs have a lot of great benefits for your skin. If you've never tried a coffee scrub, girl, what are you waiting for? Go get you one, give it a try, and see how much of a benefit you can get out of it and what it does for your skin. With that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video.